Welcome to A1 Terrazzo, where we're about to blow your mind with why choosing us for your Terrazzo project is the best decision you'll ever make. Our seamless material and aggregate supply will not only make your project run smoothly, but also ensure efficiency like never before. Get ready to transform your space with A1 Terrazzo. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're excited to share with you why you should call A1 Terrazzo for your Terrazzo project. At A1 Terrazzo, we're committed to making your project as efficient as possible. We understand that every project is unique, and that's why we offer a wide range of materials and aggregates to suit your specific needs. Our team of experts is always ready to provide you with the best possible service, ensuring that your project runs smoothly from start to finish. So, if you're looking for a reliable and experienced partner for your Terrazzo project, look no further than A1 Terrazzo. We're here to help you bring your vision to life. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and stay safe.